Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Rich Seju. In the previous video, I discussed about what is stock levels and how to calculate different stock levels, its equations, etc. And now I move to the calculation of different stock levels through an illustration. So question is here. Listen the question. This is the information extracted from the company. So that is the normal consumption is equal to 72 pieces per week. That week consists of 6 days. So here 6. Maximum consumption is equal to 100 pieces per week. Minimum consumption is equal to 50 pieces per week. Ordering quantity is equal to 250 pieces per week. Delivery time to get fresh supply normal for 2 weeks and emergency for 3 days. Determine different stock levels for 3 nut bolts. So this is the question which is extracted from the company relating to 3 nut bolts from the stock register. That is delivery time to get fresh supply normal time 2 weeks, then emergency ആവശ്യമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 3 ഡേയ്സിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ കിട്ടും. So what are the different stock levels? So in the previous video I discussed about 5 types of stock levels. They are maximum level, maximum stock level, minimum stock level, average stock level, reorder level and danger level. Its formula also. So for calculating minimum stock level and maximum stock level, we need to understand first what is the reorder level. Its formula itself, minimum level is equal to reorder level minus normal consumption. Here NC stands for normal consumption into NROP stands for normal reorder period. Reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Here first we know reorder level. Likewise in the case of maximum level also, reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption. Here MROP stands for minimum reorder period. So both this calculation for minimum level and maximum level, we must understand what is reorder level first. So calculation of reorder level at the first. So reorder level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. ROP stands for reorder period. Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. So maximum consumption is given in the question 100 pieces per week, and also reorder period is also given in the question. Reorder period is equal to delivery time to get fresh supply normal for 2 weeks. This normal for 2 weeks is the reorder period, and in the case of emergency it is for 3 days. So apply the value in the formula. This kind of problem is very simple. So reorder level is equal to maximum consumption 100 into maximum reorder period is equal to 2 weeks. So 100 into 2 gives 200 pieces. So reorder level is equal to 200 pieces. The answers, all answers in the form of pieces, not in the value. Why so? Because in the question it is given that it is in the form of pieces. So reorder level is calculated, that's equal to 200 pieces. So by using this reorder level, how to calculate minimum level and maximum stock level. So next move to the calculation of minimum stock level is an equation. Minimum stock level is equal to reorder level minus normal consumption. NC stands for normal consumption into NROP stands for normal reorder period. So reorder level is calculated, that is 200 pieces. 200 pieces minus normal consumption is in the question. Normal consumption is equal to 72 pieces per week. So 72 into normal reorder period. Maximum reorder period ആയാലും normal reorder period ആയാലും ഇത് 2 weeks തന്നെയാണ്. That is delivery time to get fresh supply normal 2 weeks. Okay, so apply the value in the formula. 200 minus 72 into 2, that's equal to 200 minus 144, that gives 56 pieces. So minimum level is equal to 56 pieces. Then next we move to the next stock level, that is maximum stock level. So maximum stock level, there is an equation, that is reorder level. ROL stands for reorder level plus ROQ stands for reorder quantity. Reorder level plus reorder quantity into minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. Minimum consumption into MROP, minimum reorder period. So minimum consumption into minimum reorder period within ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ അകത്താണ്. സോ ആദ്യം അത് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം, അത് ഇതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ മിങ്കിൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല. സോ reorder level plus reorder quantity into minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. So reorder level is calculated, that is 200 pieces plus reorder quantity is directly given in the question, that is ordering quantity is equal to 250 pieces per week. Ordering quantity is equal to 250 pieces per week. So 200 plus 250 gives 450. This 450, that is 200 plus 250, 450. Here there is a slight mistake in the formula, that is listen, maximum level is equal to reorder level plus reorder quantity into minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. That is reorder level is 200 plus reorder quantity 250. Then ഇവിടെ മൈനസ് എന്നുള്ളൊരു സിമ്പിൾ വേണം ഈ ഫോർമുലയിൽ. ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്തതിന് മുമ്പേ ഇവിടെ ഒരു മൈനസ് സിമ്പിൾ ഉണ്ട്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫോർമുല വൺസ് അഗെയിൻ, മാക്സിമം ലെവൽ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു റീഓർഡർ ലെവൽ പ്ലസ് റീഓർഡർ ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി മൈനസ് minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. So reorder level is 200 plus reorder quantity 250. 200 plus 250 gives 450. 450 minus, here there is a minus, subtract this 450 from minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. Minimum consumption is given in the question, minimum consumption is equal to 50. So minimum consumption is equal to 50. 50 into minimum reorder period, that is delivery time to get fresh supply for normal 2 weeks. ഈ normal 2 weeks തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ minimum reorder period ആയിട്ടും maximum reorder period ആയിട്ടും normal reorder period ആയിട്ടും നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്നത്. This 2. So 50 into 2, that is 100. That is 200 plus 250 minus 100, that is 450 minus 100 is equal to 350. So in this way maximum level is calculated. Maximum level is equal to 350 pieces. Once again the formula, reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. Listen, so 3 stock levels are over. There is a minimal level, maximum level and reorder level. Then next we move to the next I move to the fourth stock level, danger level. So danger level is an equation, average consumption into maximum reorder period for emergency purchases. ROP stands for reorder period. Maximum reorder period for emergency purchases. Then ആവറേജ് കൺസംഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എങ്ങനെയാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക? നമ്മുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ ആവറേജ് കൺസംഷൻ തന്നിട്ടില്ല. സോ നമ്മൾ ഈ ആവറേജ് കൺസംഷൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനുള്ള ഹിൻ്റാണ് നോർമൽ കൺസംഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ നോർമൽ കൺസംഷൻ 72 പീസസ് പെർ വീക്കാണ്. ഒരാഴ്ച 72 പീസാണ് കൺസ്യൂം ചെയ്യുന്നത് നോർമലി. ആ ആഴ്ച എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 6 days ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്താണ് 1 week എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ. സോ ഹൗ ടു അറൈവ് അറ്റ് the value of average consumption by using this figure? So see the calculation, average consumption is equal to 72 pieces divided by 6. What is 6 here? 6 is equal to, in a week consists of 6 days. So 72 divided by 6 into 3. What is 3 here? 3 here means average consumption means different question is that determine different stock levels for 3 nut bolt. 3 nut bolt in the stock levels ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞത്. So this 3 is multiplied with 72 divided by 6. That is 72 stands for normal consumption per week. That is 72 divided by 6 gives number of days in a week. 72 divided by 6 into 3. that is equal to 36 pieces. This is about average consumption only. 36 pieces is the average consumption. Average consumption നമ്മൾ 36 ആണ്. then ഈ average consumption ഏതിനെ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം? maximum reorder period for emergency purchaseനോട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. so in the question, delivery time to get fresh supply normal for 2 weeks. നോർമലി നമുക്ക് 2 വീക്സിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ നമ്മൾ ഓർഡർ കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ സാധനങ്ങൾ എത്തും. എമർജൻസി സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ അത് 3 days ആണ്. എമർജൻസി സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ അത് 3 days ആണ്. സോ this 36 into 3, that is maximum reorder period for emergency purchases. That is this 3 here is that emergency purchases for 3 days. So 36 into 3 gives 108 pieces. 108 pieces. So this is a danger level 108 pieces. Okay, then next move to the calculation of last stock level, average stock level. There are two equations for calculating average stock level, that is equal to minimum level plus maximum level by 2, or minimum level plus half of reordering quantity. Minimum level plus maximum level by 2, or minimum level plus half of reorder quantity. So minimum level is calculated 56 plus maximum level is also calculated 350. 56 plus 350 divided by 2 gives 203. So average stock level is 203, or use another formula, minimum level plus half of reorder quantity. Minimum level is 56 plus half of reorder quantity. Half of reorder quantity is 250. So half of 250, that is 250 നേരെ half. 56 plus 125, that is equal to 181 pieces. സോ ആവറേജിലാണ് 2 ഫോമുല ഉണ്ട്. ഈ 2 ഫോമുല ഉപയോഗിച്ചാലും ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ആൻസേഴ്സാണ് കിട്ടുക. അതുകൊണ്ട് തെറ്റാണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കേണ്ട, ഇത് രണ്ടും ശരിയാണ്. സോ ഇൻ ദിസ് വേ വി ആർ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റിംഗ് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് സ്റ്റോക്ക് ലെവൽസ്. I hope you are all are understood. This is very simple type problem. Hope you are watching. Keep do support for me. Thank you.